Greetings, cosmic adventurers. Welcome back to Relativity Revelations. I'm your interstellar guide, and today we're delving into the mind-bending wonders of the universe wormholes. Ever dreamed of a shortcut through space and time? Well, today's your lucky day. Picture this, a tunnel through the fabric of the cosmos, connecting distant galaxies and even different times. It's not science fiction, it's the cosmic reality of wormholes. Get ready for a journey beyond the ordinary. In the last 4 episodes, we've danced through the cosmic tango of gravity, explored the mysteries of black holes, the cosmic vacuum cleaners, and even bent the fabric of space and time. Now, it's time to unveil the secrets of cosmic shortcuts. But if you've missed the cosmic journey so far, don't fret. Take a moment to watch the last 4 episodes. Trust me, it's a cosmic roller coaster you don't want to miss. Now, before we dive into the mysterious world of wormholes, do me a favor. Hit that like button if you've been enjoying our cosmic adventure. Share this video with fellow space enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support fuels our journey through the cosmos. So, what are wormholes, and how do they work? Imagine a tunnel connecting 2 separate points in space or time. It's like folding a cosmic map and poking a hole through it. Wormholes offer shortcuts through the vastness of the universe. Throat of the wormhole. Picture a wormhole as having 2 ends, like the mouth and throat of a tunnel. One end could be near a massive star, and the other end light years away in a distant galaxy. It's like driving through a tunnel that magically transports you to another part of the universe. No need for light-speed travel. The wormhole does the heavy lifting. Time travel possibilities. According to some theories, wormholes could also be cosmic time machines. Traveling through one might not only take you to a different location, but also a different time in the universe. It's like having a time portal, allowing you to visit the past or future without needing a DeLorean. Doc Brown would be proud. Stability and challenges. But, like any cosmic journey, wormholes come with challenges. Stability is a big question, and traversing one could be like riding the cosmic rapids. Imagine navigating through the twists and turns of a cosmic river. It's an adventure, but it comes with its own set of challenges. And there you have it, an exploration of wormholes, the cosmic shortcuts and time portals of the universe. If your mind is buzzing with questions, stay tuned for future episodes as we continue our journey through the cosmos. In our next episode, we'll unravel the mysteries of dark matter, the elusive substance that makes up most of the universe. Get ready for more cosmic wonders and laughs in the universe of relativity.